left off. Um, the Again, the data showed significant differences between uh, the sex and three different measures as far as relative risk, your risk difference, and the odds ratio were all higher in men. This kind of goes to show the kind of back to the beginning of what they talked about, the importance of diabetes and obesity and supporting the need for diabetes as far as addressing concerns, considering, males are generally typically a harder population to reach as far as, medically wise. So the article concludes that the burden of diabetes and obesity in Pennsylvania is substantial and increasing. Our study demonstrates that the increase in diabetes prevalence is not equal across all sociodemographic groups. Program managers and policymakers in Pennsylvania should consider these trends when allocating their limited resources and designing programs for reducing diabetes-related illnesses. I 100% agree with this conclusion. It's pretty evident from the findings the seriousness of diabetes and the higher risk with obese has on the disease, considering it's a lifestyle disease. I didn't find really anything within the study that was biased. The only thing that I found, which we talked about a little earlier, was the fact that same people could have been reporting the results over and over, and this could skew or exaggerate their findings a bit. The problem is there's no way of them knowing because they didn't really track that, and they just kept sending it out on an annual basis. All in all, the study was conducted properly and it was pretty straightforward and easy to follow. And they analyzed the data that needed to be analyzed in order to receive the correct findings. Again, this is week 3 assignment, Nicholas Geisinger, and the article we covered was the prevalence of diabetes and associated obesity in Pennsylvania adults from 1995 to 2010, which you see right there. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoy.